So Boxcutter 720_2. To you, the user, it means nothing. To me, it's lethargic. It's lethargic to be able to release an update that doesn't have anything that adds additional pressure to the product. To me, when I look at Boxcutter, I see a big ball of pressure. I see a product that, is a constant battle to maintain, that must be maintained because, it serves a historical purpose in everyone's lives. It has to exist. We have to cut boxes. But I also see that Boxcutter is a big ball of business to manage day to day, to keep maintained day to day, and I'm spending more time maintaining Boxcutter than I'm using Boxcutter. So having a utility update really to just get everyone on the same page as me with using the same version that I'm trying to use in videos that are being done behind the scenes is important. So while this update is meaningless, it did mean something to me.